Good morning, students. I am an English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Monday, students, you are all know, right? We have already complete our portions. So, today we have to recall the September portions lessons. So, you have to recall September portions. Okay? Let me recall. Yes. You already see that lessons, right? My hobbies. Hope you all reading the all lessons, right? You have to read well for your monthly test and weekly test. Okay. First, from second unit, my hobbies. My hobbies. Gardening is my hobby. What is yours? Here, my little Pictionary. Pictionary means pictorial dictionary, right? Then, hem. Hem means fold and sew the edge of a cloth. And mermaid. Mermaid means a mythological creature. Here, mythological means imagination. A mythological creature with a woman's head and upper body and a tail of a fish. And earthworm, a worm that lives in the ground. And fry, baby of a fish, baby of a fish. Angling, fish with the rod and line, fish with the rod and line. Then let us learn, do it yourself, do it yourself, short form die, DIY, die. Here the lessons is there, right? So we have to recall the glossaries and book back exercise. Okay, students? Glossary. Glossary means meanings. Die kid. Die kid means do it yourself kid. Do it yourself kid. Someone who does any work on their own. Someone who does any work on their own. Sieve. Sieve means making stitches with the needle. Sieve means making stitches with the needle. Cereals. Cereals, grains used for food. Grains used for food. Slicing, cut into slices. Cut into slices. Let us understand. Next, let us understand. Match their hobbies. See, cycling is the, who is she? Cycling, Rosie. And gardening work, James. Swimming, Meghalai, right? So, cycling is, who is she? Rosie. Cycling, Rosie. And gardening, James. And swimming, Meghalai. Yes. Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Here, Vinod is a do-it-yourself kid. Vinod is a do-it-yourself kid. Rosie rides a bicycle. Rosie rides a bicycle. Raju loves cooking. Raju loves cooking. Answer the following questions. Yes. Answer the following questions. Who sews the cloth? Alia sews the cloth. What does Meghalai do with elders? Swims. Swims. How does Raju helps his mother? Cleaning grains and cereals. Cleaning grains and cereals. And what does a die kit refer to? What does a die kit refer to? Do it yourself kid. Do it yourself kid. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? Reading a book. Reading a book. Already you have to write it your own hobby, right? So, reading a book. And then Let us build. Let us build. See, catch the hare. Catch the hare. Here, H-A-R-E means rabbit. The animal rabbit. Ha, not my hair. Here, H-A-I-R means our head hair. Okay. I said that hair. Yes, here that is means homophones. Homophones means same pronunciation but the spelling and meaning were different. It is called as homophones. We already know that, right? Here they give some pictures and homophones we have to read. Sail, S-A-L-E, sail. S-A-I-L, sail means boat. Okay, here the man sailed the some things to other man. And then desert. Desert means without water, small amount of water and so many dries. Then dessert. Here it is like sweet dish. It is a food. Dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. Dessert is a food. And pear. Here it is the vegetable. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Here shoes. The couple of shoes is there. So pear. P-A-I-R. Pear. And here read. Here the man read a newspaper, right? That spelling R-E-A-D, read. And then here the plant, a tall plant, right? Read, R-E-E-D, read. And then look at the picture. Look at the picture. And tick the correct word. Here deer. D-E-A-R, deer. Here deer. D-E-A-R, deer. It means the person liked one. Then I here I am like that. Here E-Y-I, our body part. I. Buy and buy. Here the man buy something from vendor. B-U-Y, buy. And meat. Here meat. M-E-E-T, meat. Waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste. Right. Here the hand writes something, so W-R-I-T-E, write. And then B, connect and write the homophones in the box. C, S-E-A-C, it is the C. Here the man sees something. S-E-E-C. And 1. Here 1. The man achieves something, victory, that is mean own. W-O-N, 1. Then flour. Here 3 flowers, right? So then it is the rice flour. F-L-O-U-R. Write the homophones for the given word and draw the picture. Sun. Here mother and son. Here the sun. S-U-N, sun. And D. Pick out the correct option from the given homophones. I saw a bee, B-E-E-B, on the floor. The wind blew off the leaves. The wind blew off the leaves. What did you buy at the store? What did you buy at the store? You should never lie to your parents. You should never lie to your parents. And then treasure trove, right? Let me read the poem once again. Read when you are happy. Read when you are sad. Learn about space. Land on Mars. Picture an auto race. Zoom with cars. A glance at history. Go back in time to discover a mystery. Solve a crime. Read about the lost bicycle. Where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy. Read when you are sad. And Let me see the glossary. Space, beyond earth. Space, beyond earth. Zoom, travel quickly. Zoom, travel quickly. Glance, look. Glance, look. Discover, find. Discover, find. Mystery, strange or unknown thing. Mystery, strange or unknown thing. Mermaid, an imaginary creature. An imaginary creature. A. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What would we do when we are happy or sad? We would read when we are happy or sad. We would read when we are happy or sad or sad. And second question is, when do we land on Mars? When do we land on Mars? When we read about space, we land on Mars. When we read about space, we land on Mars. And why do we discover a mystery? We discover a mystery to solve a crime. We discover a mystery to solve a crime. Where did we visit a mermaid? We visited a mermaid in the sea. We visited a mermaid in the sea. Why should we read? We should read for happiness, gaining knowledge, information to lead a happy life. We should read for happiness, gaining knowledge, information to lead a happy life. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem and write. Mars, cars. Mars, cars. Time, crime. Time, crime. B, C. B, C. And let us know. Let us know. Simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and planned actions. The simple present tense is easy to form. We all know verbs have forms. Those are present tense, past participle tense, and present participle tense. Here they give, gives as present tense, gave as past tense, given as past participle tense, and giving present participle. Let me see the examples. The present form is used in simple present tense. Come, let us use it. I go to shop. I go to shop. We speak English in our class. We speak English in our class. You run very fast. You run very fast. They play cricket. They play cricket. He goes to shop. He goes to shop. She speaks English in her class. She speaks English in her class. It runs very fast. It runs very fast. For I, we, you, and they, present form is used. For he, she, and it, s is added to the present form. Give the correct verb form for following sentences. I go to school. Second, we go to school. It goes to school. They go to school. You go to school. He goes to school. She goes to school. Yes. Then we saw simple present tense for action verbs. Let us see the simple present tense for be verbs. Be verbs show a state of being. present. Am is are. Past tense was were. Past participle been. Present participle being. I am a student. I am a student. We are students. We are students. You are a student. You are a student. They are students. They are students. He is a student. She is a student. It is a book. It is a book. Am is used for I. Am is used for I. Are is used for we, you, they. We, you, and they. Is used for he, she, it. He, she, it. Give a correct verb form for following sentences. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. We are police. We are police. You are an engineer. You are an engineer. He is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. It is a car. It is a car. They are football players. They are football players. She is a driver. She is a driver. And then use the, here see, use the suitable verb. Read, reads. We have to suitable verb write in the fill up. I read the book. I read the book. Suresh reads the poem. Suresh reads the poem. My friends read a passage. My friends read a passage. The boy reads the story. The boy reads the story. The robot reads some words. The robot reads some words. Banu reads the lesson. Banu reads the lesson. We read loudly. We read loudly. My father reads the news. My father reads the news. You read the instruction. You read the instruction. Circle the correct verb. Circle the correct verb. Boy likes the cake. Boy likes the cake. We come home at 4 p.m. every day. We come home at 4 p.m. every day. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. You comes You come late to school. You come late to school. It runs very fast. It runs very fast. And see, rewrite the sentences using the words in the brackets. I go to school at 8 o'clock. It is changed into he goes to school at 8 o'clock and we play cricket on Sunday. Aravind plays cricket on Sunday. And then I watch television. I watch television in the afternoon. My mother watches television in the afternoon. They visit their friends in the evenings. Kavita visits their friends in the evening. I have dinner at 8 p.m. She has dinner at 8 p.m. Okay, students, you have to read and recall the passage and book back exercise. Keep safe at your home. Thank you, students.